Hello and namaste. In this video, we'll take a look at the settings of QiPress and where to find help on those settings. So the first thing that we do is obviously start QiPress, and then QiPress appears in your system tray. You may need to get inside if you're not able to see it on your taskbar. Right click, and here is a bunch of settings. Now the first thing that I'll do is open up the help part, and this is a help file and I'll keep it open on the left part of my screen. Okay, so here I am again, and so you see a number of options. Now these are what I call as quick settings, which can be set directly here. Mostly they are enabling or disabling certain components of the application, and sometimes, like in this case, you can uh, uh, work with other settings, quick settings here, or directly go to the section of the settings which belongs to this particular component. And we have a few components: the on-screen display, the visual mouse, the cursor halo, and the logo bug. We'll look at those individual components a bit later. This is just to give you an idea of how the settings work. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to demonstrate how the quick settings work. And you see over here that visual mouse is currently enabled. The visual mouse part is the one which shows this small mouse besides my pointer, and I'm going to quickly turn it off by pressing here, and it turns off. So this is a quick setting. I'll turn it back on. Right, so this is what it is. Now if I wanted to change the color of the mouse, just as an example over here, it's not possible to do it quickly. We'll have to get into the more elaborate part of the settings, which is for this visual mouse. Quickly reaching there is just hitting this, and it directly comes to the page of the settings, which is about the visual mouse, and then I can change whatever I want. For example, over here I'm just changing the size of the mouse, and then I hit OK, and then you see the size of the mouse changes quite a bit. Okay, I'll revert back these changes. Okay, so here we are back again. Now there are a lot of settings, and I'll just quickly run through them in this video, starting from here, and then and for keys as well, sounds, logo bug settings, launchers, and then certain tools that we have over here, lots and lots of them. Now in order to find help on any of these settings, all you need to do is just open up the help file, and you'll see that from this point onwards, which is the settings tree, everything matches this tree. So all you need to do is just follow that tree over here. So for example, if I wanted to figure out what let's say one of these meant, so what I need to do is I need to go to QiPress settings, and then keys, and then you see the title of this page, which is key and keyboard settings, and then I need to go to key sets, right? And here it describes every single thing about what each of these checkboxes means. And then just as an example, I'll switch over to another logo bug, and you'll see the tab called position, and then you'll see all the other stuff over here. Right, now keep in mind that for the pro version all the options are available, but some of the options are not available for the light version. And in the help menu, in the help file, you will be able to see those details as well as to which option is available in which version. Now, one more important thing to note here would be that uh, the uh, the file that stores the settings, uh, it's actually available, and it's in your QiPress directory and the user subdirectory in that, and then this is the QiPress.ini. So this is the file that contains all your settings. Now keep in mind, and you will also see it at the beginning of this uh, file, is that try not to modify it manually, as if you put in some wrong entries, QiPress may not be able to start up again, and you'll have to delete this file, and you lose all your settings in order to start up QiPress again. Now why I'm telling this information is that in case you upgrade QiPress, uh, all you need to do is just overwrite the QiPress application in this folder with the newer version, and it will continue to use the older settings, and that's how it works. So if you upgrade, you will not lose any of your settings, and that's very important for some users, as there are hundreds of settings inside there. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.